Dad Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.
Hi, I'm Jake from Dad Doodles, the channel where we draw your kids' favorite characters step by step. Today we'll be drawing Jake the dog from Adventure Time. I'll be using a Canson mixed media sketchbook, an HB pencil, some erasers, a Sharpie, and finally some alcohol markers. Here's a quick reference of what we'll be drawing. Alright, let's get started. Right here at the top center of the page, I'm making an oval for his nose. Now I'll make a curved line right above his nose like this. Starting from the left side, I'll make a C shape going into his nose, and then one on the right. Oops, too short. Good thing we have an eraser. I'm making a small curved line for his mouth. Now I'm drawing a large oval over here for his eye. And now I'll do another one on this side. Now I'm going to make some small curved lines inside of his eyes for the black part of Jake's eyes. Okay, starting over here, I'm going to make a U shape for his ear. Feel free to pause and rewind the video if you need more time. Starting at the top of his eye, I'm going to make a large curved shape like this for the top of his head. Let's get to work on his body now. I'm going to make a long curved line from the bottom of his head like this. Coming from the bottom of his eye, I'm going to do a slightly curved line like this. Okay, from the bottom of his body, let's make a backward C shape like this. Now we'll go over just a little bit and make another C shape for his leg. Let's make a sideways U shape for his foot. Now from this point here, let's make a long curved shape like this. Now I'm just drawing the same thing for his other leg. If you like this video so far, please drop a comment who I should draw next. From the top of his leg, let's just connect the lines. Okay, right here I'm just drawing a couple curvy lines for his tail. Right here, let's just make a V shape for his arm, like this. And now we'll make another one. I'm making a curvy line for his paw right here, and then two other ones to finish it off. Let's make a curved line over here to start his other arm. Starting right here, we'll just copy that shape to finish the arm. Now I'll do the same thing I did on the other side for his paw. Okay, the sketch is done. Now I'll speed up the outlining and the coloring so you don't get bored. If you've stayed this long, please subscribe to my channel for weekly content. I'm erasing all visible pencil lines before I put the color down. I'll use a Golden Sun Artist Loft marker for his color. Okay, final reveal in, drum roll please. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next week.
Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.